Building your dream RPG in RPG Maker XP and need to open the project file. RXPROJ is the entry point for your entire game project. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and manage these RPG Maker XP project files. If you frequently deal with unusual RXPROJ file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. RXPROJ files are project files used by RPG Maker XP, a game development engine for creating role-playing games released by Enterbrain. They serve as the main project entry point referencing all game assets, including maps, events, scripts, character database, art assets, music, and game configuration settings within an organized RPG Maker project structure. PG Maker XP RXPROJ files use a simple text-based format containing project metadata and references to the project's data files. The associated data files, including maps, actors, enemies, items, and scripts, are stored as separate RXDATA files in the data folder using Ruby Marshal serialization format for the RGSS Ruby game scripting system. The guiding principle for opening RXPROJ is to use RPG Maker VX from Enterbrain, INC. The archive size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows provides limited visibility into these files, so meaningful access depends on supporting tools. Your first step towards data access, right-click the RXPROJ file and select Open With. If RPG Maker VX is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If you are still having trouble opening the RXPROJ file, do not worry. I'm going to explain the most common technical reasons behind the file failure before we use the one-click solution. First, opening an RPG Maker XP. Launch RPG Maker XP and use File then Open Project to navigate to the RXPROJ file. The editor loads the complete project, including all maps, database tables, and scripts. Double-clicking the RXPROJ file in Windows Explorer also launches RPG Maker XP and opens the project automatically when the application is properly registered. Next, migrating to newer versions. RPG Maker XP projects cannot be directly opened in newer versions like RPG Maker MV or MZ due to engine architecture differences. Use third-party conversion tools or manually port the project by recreating maps and database entries in the target version. Asset files like graphics and audio can be reused with format adjustments as needed. Finally, running the game. Use Game Then Playtest in the RPG Maker XP editor to launch the game in test mode for development testing. To distribute the completed game use, File then Compress Game Data, which packages all assets into a runtime distribution. Players need the RGSS runtime installed, which is included with the compressed distribution. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.